had way too short of a visit. We love you, Selena. Thank you so much for your hospitality and your tour guide, and your mom for letting us use her truck and all kinds of stuff.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
So we're headed back to Yuma with a stop in between again. First, we are going to stop for dumping our tanks and getting fuel at a TA in Eloy, and then on to Gila Bend for the night. So we're going on the roller coaster road. Sandario goes like this, right through into Saguaro National Park. We go through it. Look at all the mesquite. Selena says it's really pretty when it's all in bloom. Well, not, you know, when it's leafed out. But it looks kind of cool, I think, the way it is. I love the desert.
In 2 miles, take exit 199 for I-8 west towards San Diego. On East Pima Street for 3/4 of a mile.
Right up.
Your destination is on the right. Arriving at Humberto's Mexican food.
Humberto! Humberto! Alright, you want the same place?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. It is a warm morning.
It's a little toasty.
Yes.
It's not bad.
We're in Gila Bend, but you know, when you're running around getting all set up, ready to go, we are leaving Gila Bend behind Humberto's, and we're heading to Yuma. And what's today?
It's March the 10th.
Say it in numbers.
It's 3:10
And where are we going?
to Yuma.
3:10 to Yuma.
We could make our own movie.
Oh, goodness. So we are headed back to Yuma today. We had a good night's stay in our little spot here in Gila Bend. Let's go.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life. Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. You got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. Yeah, you and I as one will always be better than